Okay, time to start packing the house. I'm leaving Florida, moving to Georgia. Whew. Next adventure, here we go. Last night in the old workshop, my first ever personal workshop. It has been a fun 3.5 years in here. Here's my paint station and my electronics station, CNC machine, general workstation. I have my 3D printer here and a foam cutter, welding station, scrap wood. I always like this table. It was a build table, but it also had my table saw in it, so the build table served as an outfeed. I thought that was pretty cool. Definitely gonna miss this place. Now to start packing up, because I'm moving in the morning. All right, so thanks to my family for helping me pack up the shop. It's almost done. We made headway, but we didn't want to get called the cops on for making too much noise. Everybody, what's going on back there?
I don't have a battery.
I was just awkwardly holding moving supplies.
Hey, this is a tool.
Oh.
Hey, make sure y'all hit that like button down there and squash the bells and go ahead and subscribe. And make sure you check out on my new channel. All right.
What is your channel, John?
John at youtube.com.
This is gonna require heavy editing.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, this is
Watch
good.
all the minutes. It matters.
Squash them buttons.
Smash it. Bye.
Bye. Just like that, the old workshop is gone. And I have a big old pile of junk for the junkers to come take away, because I don't have as big a workshop, so I don't need all these tables and things. I wish I could just take it down, but I just have so much scrap wood. I don't know. I think I'm changing the way I view scrap wood, so I'm gonna be a little bit more intentional in the new shop. But yeah, place is cleared out. Time to head back to Georgia and go from there.
All right, so we just demolished this house. Thanks for watching us on the Home Shopping Network, or the Home Renovation Network. Make sure you squash the buttons below, sign the bells below, subscribe, get over here, put it in, put a filter on, make smiley faces.